OMG, it's finally here. My pink Pilates reformer. This is actually a game changer, and I'm going to tell you why. And I'm going to show you what's in the box. I've been doing Pilates for about 30 years. Before that, I was a gymnast, a diver, and I did ballet. So if you want to get a long, lean, muscular body like a dancer's body, you need to be doing Pilates. This is low impact, and it's going to stretch and it's going to really stretch and elongate those muscles. And this is what Joseph Pilates intended. He intended for everybody to be able to do this. Now, I've been spending more time at the lake and less time in the city where all my fancy reformer classes are. So I really like that this is lightweight. It's really well made of maple. And I can do all of my classes from the lake. And it's really nice. It comes with your resistance band, and everything is really easy to put together. It's really simple step-by-step setup, and it's pretty much put together right out of the box. It's got integrated sliding rails, and they're really smooth. It's got a pair resistance band, your quick start guide, which also gives you suggested exercises. They've got great customer support. Oh, and they're going to give you a 12-month limited warranty. So I wanted to I didn't put this together 100%, but I wanted to just kind of see how it worked, and how easily it slides. And I'm really impressed by just the quality of how this is made. And the bands are really secure as well. It didn't take a lot to put it together. And when I'm done with this, I can just really easily put this, put it away. I can just box up my bands, my extra pieces, and I can lean it against a wall. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It doesn't take up a big footprint like a lot of the other Pilates reformer machines do. They just take up a lot of space. This one doesn't. And it's bonus points that it does come in pink. They also do have it available in black, but who's going to be boring? Come on, don't be basic. Go for the pink because we love pink. This is a full body Pilates training reformer. It's going to train your core, your arms, your back, and it's really well made. This is going to make your body look and feel amazing. Thank you so much to the brand for sending this over to me. I was really excited to get this opened up and take a look, and I'm really looking forward to using this more. Make sure you give me a follow for more upcoming videos on this product.